Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy way to manage your Google Drive notifications. If you've ever been interrupted by alerts when someone requests access to your files, you'll be glad to know there's a simple fix. By changing just a few settings on your phone, you can set these specific notifications to silent, giving you peace of mind without missing out on important updates. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you can control how different apps behave, including their notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for Apps. Tap on that option to see the list of apps installed on your device. Next, find and select Google Drive. This will take you directly into the app settings where you can manage permissions, storage, and of course, notifications. Tap on Notifications to continue. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see different categories that divide the types of alerts Google Drive can send. To get more control, tap on Notification Categories. This section is where you can customize each type of alert individually, rather than turning them all off at once. Now look for the option labeled Requests for Access. This is the one you'll want to adjust so that you're not disturbed every time someone asks for permission to open a file. Tap on it to open the settings. Here, you'll see a simple option to change how the notification behaves. Choose Silent. With this setting, you'll still get the request information, but your phone won't buzz, chime, or pop up a preview to distract you. And that's it! You've just fine-tuned your Google Drive notifications to be a little less disruptive. This way, you still maintain awareness of requests for access without having them cut into your workflow or relaxation time. Taking a few moments to personalize notifications can make your device feel more under control, and setting alerts like this to silent is a great step toward reducing distractions. Simple adjustments like this one can really improve your daily digital experience. If you found this guide helpful, try exploring other notification categories in Google Drive or even in your other apps, and set them up in a way that works best for you.